Hey everybody, welcome back to Godwin Garage / Jack of all trades. So this system cycles on and off a lot. We are going to troubleshoot it. I already know what's wrong because I already looked at it. But yeah, I'm going to show you what it's doing. Turn the power back on. Put this stuff back in. Come on. That's not good. I have to fix that, but that's fine. Oh, got it. So if I see what it's doing, click on and off, on and off, on and off. Train it back down. It'll do it again here in a second. That's not good. Shut the power down. First thing you want to do, like I said, turn the power off, drain the system down. Hose dibs over there, perfecto. Run for a little bit. If I can come out. Not really, does it? Why is it not draining right now? Plug. Kinks in the line. Yeah, a couple kinks, not too bad though. Why is this thing doing that? There ain't no way. Alright, well, I'm gonna try and get this off. Maybe. Alright, well, we're gonna get a little bit wet. Alright, anyways, drain the system down. Next thing you want to do, if you have a pump inside the tank, undo the union or cut the pipe so it doesn't siphon. If you have a jet pump, turn the line off going to the pump that comes out of the tank. I'll be right back. That gauge doesn't work, so change that as well. Alright, so first things first, put a new gauge in. I don't want to use that one, I'll use a different kind. Yep. So pull this off. Perfect, that works. You guys can't tell, the gauge is stuck. That's definitely not good. Undo the union on your tank, and if you don't have a union, cut it off. This thing's waterlogged to all hell. Guess you can't tell. So get that off there. Move the waterlogged tank. That, I guess. Oh, lovely. That's stuck. Get out of the way. Move it. Move it. Okay. Alright. Take the broken gauge off. Can't tell. The whole thing's broken. But it's stuck. That's garbage. You want to change that out. Next thing you want to do is, because we got to change the, I'm going to change the size of the tank. Put a different kind on there. That'll work there. And then I'll grab a couple parts. this on. Gimme. Perfect. This won't get wet. Okay, so put this one on. That's brand new. Alrighty. Put this in. Don't tighten it up by hand. Just go to there. And then start spinning it on with your wrench. One more time around, that should be good. And we're getting closer. There we go. That's replaced. Next thing you're gonna do, grab your new pressure tank because it's waterlogged. Put the big boy. Uh-oh. Put the big dog in. Okay. Ooh. Too much stuff. Okay. My knee's not sitting on water. There we go. Alright, so connect it just like that. Yep, that'll work. Okay. Maybe. We will see. Alright. Back up. Yep. Excuse me. That way. Put this fitting on. So when it cycles like that, you're gonna have a clogged pressure line on your little pump that's on the ground, or the waterlogged pressure tank. In this case, the pressure tank was waterlogged. Co-worker came by yesterday and already determined that, but I already knew kind of by looking at it and the way it felt. It was way too heavy for how small of a tank it is. These things that I'm putting in, they suck when they get waterlogged. They weigh like 100 and something pounds, maybe a little more. All right, that's on there. Grab the excess of this. Probably should have grabbed a rag. Right back. Alright. Get that cleaned off. I'm gonna put you a bushing. That's 1.25 inch fittings for that pressure tank because it's bigger. So you need a bushing slip by slip or thread by slip. 1 inch. Or 1 1/4 inch down to 1. This is slip by slip. I kind of like. The other ones are kind of a pain in the butt. If I don't have to thread it on, it's better. A little easier and faster too. Okay. That one on. There's that. Slide that back. Clean this stuff off. Turn that off. Alright. Ouch. Okay, now take something to hold it up so it doesn't spill out and leak. Don't forget your ring. Let me tell you, it sucks when you forget it, because then you gotta start over. Put this on. There we go. Slam that in. There we go. Good there. Right out inside the pipe a little bit so it's not leaking everywhere. And slide the tank in. There we go. Pull that up. Tighten it on. Oh. Okay. Go. I'm going to do a 40-60 setting in this. So where's my gauge? There she is. 35 in this big old thing. What the? Get off of me. God. This takes forever. Yes, it does. This is probably the most time-consuming part of this whole thing. Okay. Okay, so I set it for 35 PSI because I want the pressure switch to be 40-60. So we'll make sure that's right when I fire back up. But there's that. And then put your union back on the pump inside the tank and then fire it up and make sure it works right. this to 4060. Okay. Step out of the way for a second. Piped up, dirty piped up. Alright, get the lid off of that. I'm not sure what the setting is, but I need to make sure it's right. It's probably 4060, that's what it says it is in there. Alright, so first things first, you're going to open that up, and then we're going to fire it back up. Here we go. So we're running there. Come on, baby. Lower that down. Little nipple on top, cut it off. That way it can actually read correctly. Definitely not what I want it to be. I'll make sure this thing turns on at 40 psi. And we can do our settings later. Crank it back a little bit. Crank it back. Whatever. Freaking thing. Let it build pressure. We are at 45. I don't know why it's taking forever to build. It's kind of weird actually. I'm going to shut this. We are at 54. Almost there. Takes a little while for everything else. All right, we're almost to 60. We're at 60. Open the hose bib. Sure it kicks back on at 40, then we're all good. Put this back over here. That buzz. Throw that over there. That stuff's fine there. Doesn't really take that long. It's just a pain in the ass. Oh no. Come on, hurry up. gonna sit here all day waiting for this dang thing. Oh my gosh. This hose this here kind of sucks. But it is what it is. Almost there. Should be clicking on any second. Alright, about now. Come on. Oh God. Oh, it's fine. No, it's not. Why are you not clicking on it? Alright. Perfect. Yep. That's how you test that out. So if your pump's cycling on and off a bunch of times, go through it, check your switch. So you'll have on jet pumps, this will be here on on the side of the pump. You'll have a tube coming out like this going over to the pump. Check that tube, make sure it's clear. Also where it ties in, take a screwdriver, it's kind of thin, shove it in there, spin it around. There might be clogged or a blockage in there. Check your tank. If there's no water at all and you have the system shut off and you can't move the tank and it's full of water, the pressure tank's shot. That's it. If you have any questions, anything like that, let me know. Leave a comment. Hit that like button, share, subscribe. Thanks guys. See you later.